So Justin and Jamie are over at that job at Middleham in the Dales, so hopefully they've got some footage as well. Seatbelt trying to f*** it. Oh mate, that bullying f***ing around mate. Good morning YouTube, hope everyone's had a good weekend. Now I have a bit of a wedding Saturday night, which was very good. So yeah, it's early Monday morning now, well a bit later than we'd hoped, we're sort of here at 6. It's now 20 to 7, two things wrong this morning. Firstly, I had a flat tyre. I think I've had a bit of a slow puncture in my front tyre for a while, and it was totally flat when I went out this morning, so I had to sort that out. Then I've got a as soon as I walk through gates, just in goes fork truck's not working, not going into forward and reverse. So I don't know what's happening there. So the lads have just had to handball everything. Oh, they're still handballing now. I'll turn it round. Pulling panels on now, look. Now it'll be a 2-second job with fork truck. And they had these big heavy gates on from last week, and I had to take them off. And they're handballing these on. It would have been a 2-second job to lift this back on with fork truck. It goes up and down, but it won't go forward and reverse. Monday morning, it did happen before a while back, but I can't remember what we did now. I think we just fiddled with it and it worked. But luckily, Carl's a forklift engineer, so just rug him. It sounds like I just woke him up out of bed, but he'll be here in about 20 minutes. So still have to get on the way because they're right back up in Dales again today. So time waits for no man. I won't mind, he'll probably be here by the time I've loaded up. Just saying, as soon as you've loaded up, Carl will rock up, won't he? But I know. But like I say, it happened before, months ago. Me and Justin, I think we just played with lever and then it just worked, didn't it? So I'm no mechanic, I know naught about stuff like that. So they're back up there, probably going to get most of the fencing in today, and they might start putting gates in tomorrow. We'll see how that one goes. So yeah, I'm just going to catch up now for a couple of hours, a few quotes that come in over the weekend, blah blah blah, and then have a few jobs to see this morning. I'll have a catch up with Carl. He's got some gates and that he's got to do for some jobs he's got on himself. So yeah, busy as always. I'm on a countdown to holiday. Got 2 weeks to my cruise now, so yeah, I'll leave it at that for now. Hi there guys, yeah, so I've just had to stop and see what a slow puncture. I said earlier this morning, it's just round the corner from our yard. That was mate of mine actually owns it, he's just doing the car there, he's called Mark too. So hopefully we'll find my puncture, get me back on the road in the next 5-10 minutes. So that's the owner Mark here. But it's Tyre Central, great guys these. Do all our cars and vans and stuff like that. But if you're in BD10, BD2 area, get yourself down. Good lads and look after you. So, just arrived. Been to Ed's this morning, got to pick up some gates. Got 2 singles, 2 doubles to get in today. So there's going to be a double here and then just a couple of panels to tie on. Just me and Jamie today, Baggy's off until tomorrow. I'm getting this done, that's where we started yesterday, that's on the fence. I've got all this finished off. I'm going to put a gate in here now, and then a gate a bit further up there, and then finish this top off. Yeah, once we've done that, the day's over. It's a bit of a later start, we had to go pick up the gates and stuff today, so as you can see it's all nicely going in. So yeah, we'll get this done, get cracked on. We're just finishing up at there, so that's up to the nursery now, and then we'll do that bit. And then you've got the gates to go in here, last panel to go on there, and like I said, it's going all the way down. Some halves are mostly full, but a lot of halves down this hill. Yeah, it's looking good, looking nice and tidy. 2 gates now, 2 single gates in down there as well, as you can see. One there, and one a bit further down near the bottom. Emma's just going to do this, we'll get this in, and we'll be setting off back. Oh, afternoon, crikey, busy day it's been today. Flipping heck, I've just tried to sort everything out. So I actually go away week Friday. If I haven't told you already, which I'm looking forward to. So I'm just trying to sort all jobs out and everything, make sure we've got everything as it should be. I've just been going through a few stuff with Carl, who's going to try and look after it whilst I'm away. Justin's around as well, so between them hopefully can get stuff sorted out. Yeah, I've just had to pay a massive VAT bill that I wasn't expecting at this moment in time. My bookkeeper accountant's only just told me. Cheers for that, as well as paying all my suppliers and everybody before I go away. So yeah, bank funds are going like that, so I need some coming in now. I'm owed a few quid as usual, but you know what it is. I think we've got a few gates in stock actually, because I actually bought a load from somebody who was selling them cheap, like end of line sort of sale. So I got a few cheap, so come in handy for a couple of these jobs actually, because Carl's been busy himself. Got a few little jobs on himself, which is good. So he's obviously busy. I'm just gonna go now, go see another job, and then I shall probably see you in the morning. I've spoke to the lads, obviously Baggy's still on holiday till Wednesday I think it is this week. So Justin and Jamie are over at that job at Middleham in the Dales, so hopefully they've got some footage as well.
So you got to deal with coming to Dales every morning. I've seen a few cows before on the road, never like this. In fact, I know a few cows. See Bull trying to f*** it. Oh mate, that bullying f***ing around it. So last day over in here, over at Dales, and lads are just getting last gate in, doing last panel. It's sunny today, you might not be able to see that. Give it a nice tidy up today, go around, spray up. Got all double gates in as well. So all we're doing here is cutting some more half panels down this hill where we've got a bit of extra gear. Get that sorted and done. I'm going to go around now and just clearly mark out which ones they need to do. Go louder there. Beautiful day for it. Love a Friday like this. So this is sorry, not the nursery gate, the kitchen gate. Closes nicely. That's straight on. Gas closer on, all boxed in. Tarmacked in. Drop bolts in floor as well. All done and dusted. So we're just finishing off here. Baggy doing gas closer. Jamie's just coming down here and giving it a little spray up. We've done alt front, alt halves and stuff have gone in. So yeah, we're looking good. So this is the vertical lock, this one.
Beautiful.
So that'll be the speed.
Good morning. We're an early start again this morning. Got the lads off. I'm actually over at a site in Sherburn in Helmet, just outside. Big industrial estate here. I've just met with like the guy that owns it, landlord or whatever. So you just spin it around and see how big it is here. It's quite a big site. Basically they've knocked a few buildings down, this, that and the other, and they're splitting it all up into individual yards. There's a lot of 3 metre high stuff there. There's like a yard that I've got to do over there, bolt down 3 metre high, and then palisade coming all the way along here. I think it goes there somewhere, some gates, and then it goes along there, some gates there, and then it just goes like that, and then it goes right up there. I don't know if you can see right in the distance some palisade. So yeah, this bit I've got to price it 3 metres as well, but it wants an option just for 2.4 here. This will be all digging this stuff, and the 3 metre stuff over here will be bolt down. Apart from the gates, we'll have to dig them in where he wants them. So yeah, it's a big site. I wish this was actually near where we're based. I'd snap the hands off of some of these. Lovely and flat. Get wagons in, be ideal, but it's about an hour away from us, so it's a bit far for us, but there you go. So yeah, I'll just get to the end here, I'll turn it around again. So basically just going to come along from that fence. Well, actually it's like 10 metres he said there from this existing boundary, so it'll come along here, skim through there and go along there, up there, as I've just explained. quite a bit here actually. I've got my wheel in my car, but what I'll do when I get back, I'll Google Earth this one. It'll be a lot easier. It's up and down in places. Yeah, so quite a big site this one. Probably be different if we get the job come back, because they're doing a load of work, building roads and tarmacking, but I'll just show the rest of it. You can see a lot of it's like solid concrete, but it's a shame it won't all be bolted down. See how these are bolted down. Now this is one of the yards that they want separating there. They want some gates, big 6 metre gates in there with like a turning thing, sort of angled in both sides, and 6 metres. So yeah, quite a bit to do here. I shall get back to office, write down what they need here, and then get on with it and price it.
Right, so all done and dusted. I'm just going to have a quick walk around now, see if I can notice out. But yeah, I've already been around, double checked everything, sprayed everything down, even gone extra little bit. And like I said, even these here, they've all been cut off, grinded down, sprayed over. This is, I think, 2 weeks we've been at this job. Obviously, we took a break in between it and we were on another job, and what you'll all see in previous videos. But yeah, we're all back. We're all about to get off. It's Friday, so it's a beautiful day. So you know you need to be in a pub at this time of day. But yeah, it's looking really nice. Obviously we had people out looking at it, they're all happy with it, but you know, it's not too high, it's actually quite nice. That's the thing with the green Vmesh, it does, especially in areas like this, it does really fit in. And you know, it keeps the kids safe, that's what the main thing is. So that's 2 single gates coming down this side. I'm not going to climb through all them bushes, but it's looking nice. See, we've got temporary panels on the van at the minute. It's all looking good. We've changed a couple of panels down there. We've got a water down there. We'll take a walk down there and bring that back up. We've done a couple of halves, dug a couple of panels a bit lower into the ground just to take for the gap. Obviously we don't really want to do that too much, or if it's too high, because it does take the height of the fencing out. So obviously as long as it's minor, it's not too bad. And then we cut a few up at the top. We've got the gates in. We've got another bog lock up at the top kitchen gate, what we'll go up and have a look at in a second. Lads are just finishing that off. Going to send Mark a quick video over. Let's see what Jamie's left down here. He's probably left half of his equipment down here. He likes to leave a mess everywhere he goes, Jamie. Right, so, and this is all of it next to the fence. And go up, get the rest of the stuff on the vans, and then nice 2-hour drive back. Yeah, we'll get all these last bits tidied up and get out of here. So yeah, as you can see, all this front now, all that's in halves. That were all 4 panels. All posts have been altered at tops as well. Make sure it looks nice. Looking good. Double gates in. Radio just playing away to itself. Get rid of that in a second. This is the other gas closer. Looking good. Looking good.
Hi there. Friday already. Sorry I haven't done much videos today, I've been busy. Actually, just as you can see, I'm at home, been working at home this afternoon. Just catching up on a load of admin. The lads have actually finished a big job over in, I don't know if you can see me there actually for some. Over in Middleham up in Dales, have actually finished that now, thank God. Bit of travelling now, like an hour and a half there, hour and a half back. I think the lads are glad of that. We're a bit more local, back to another school in Batley next week. Installing some gates and doing the automation trench inside for Matt. So yeah, that'll be an interesting one. We'll get some footage there. Thank you all for watching. Give us a like if you like what we do, and why not subscribe while you're here. It's all free. Go on, press the button, and we'll see you next week.